Hi guys, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 online video lesson series. So this is the last video lesson of PowerPoint Online, and in this video tutorial we will be learning about two important things of Microsoft PowerPoint Online. First one is help and second one is embedding your presentation into other websites. So let's see. Sometimes you get stuck somewhere into PowerPoint presentation. For that purpose you can get help from Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft PowerPoint support system. To get help you can click on to this help button and it will provide you two options. First one is getting your answer for your PowerPoint online questions, and second one is providing feedback to Microsoft. So if you like Microsoft PowerPoint Online, then you can provide feedback. So this is it. Same way you can also provide feedback from this status bar link, help improve office. So I am clicking on to this help button, and whatever the question you have you can write it here. So I want to create table into my presentation, then I will write table and it will give me answers to add a table to a slide. That's a wonderful thing. So click on to this link to get more information about adding a table to your slide. So this is the way you can insert a table into your slide. Go to insert tab and select table and select the rows and columns you want in your table. So this is answer. Likewise you can search anything. Whatever the question you have you can write here. So this is about getting PowerPoint help. Now you can also get help from this tell me what do you want to do button. This is basically a help button. You don't need to write question. You need to write just what do you want to do. I want to do slide show. So I will write slide and show, and it will right away give me how I can open my slideshow. So click on to this first link and it will open up my slideshow at that moment. Same way if you want to apply transitions, so write transitions, and from right here you can apply transitions to your slides. So it's very easy to use this feature and it is really useful feature. You don't need to go to any menu. You just write here what you want to do. So this is about help menu. Now let's see one more options called embedding your presentation, which is under file and share, and this is embed. So click on to this embed and one window will be open from where you can generate HTML code. So click on to this generate button and here it is. Select the size in which you want your presentation to be in. This is larger size and this is smaller size, and this is the widget which will be appeared onto your website. You just have to copy this iframe code, which is embed code, and it will be shown onto your website. Use default auto advanced settings from the file. So I am just closing it, and this is sharing code or embedding code. Here are slide navigating buttons. Here are PDF printing or downloading a copy options. Here it is a full slideshow option, and here it is a PowerPoint icon. So this way you can get help from Microsoft PowerPoint and embed your PowerPoint presentation to website. So this is all about PowerPoint. So this was the last video lesson. So goodbye, take care, and thank you very much.